Globalism is the growing interdependence of the world's economies, cultures, and populations, while the informationalism is a technological paradigm that emphasizes the importance of information and communication. The shift in global economic power from advanced economies to emerging markets is expected to continue. This shift, accompanied by geoeconomic risk, emerging economies that are gaining economic power include China, India, Brazil, Indonesia, and Mexico. No, they have become irrelevant. With a 95% chance before technological failure, there is now a battle between two rationalists, will which will be won by the regressive backward looking nationalists or protectionists as they have done in any previous epoch. However, as in the finance industry, past experience cannot be used in determine how this mechanism will behave in the future.